What's going on, guys? So today we have a Jeep lip we're going to be installing. Now this is factory for a 2005-2007 Jeep Grand Cherokee. So we're going to try to install it into this 2000 Honda CRV. I do have the JDM bumper on here, but it will fit the US spec Honda CRV bumper as well. Now I do have this other lip on here that I need to remove, so that's going to be coming off. Now the lip, how it is just out of the box, it will not take shape to the CRV bumper. We have to kind of trim it in a way where we can actually make it curve. So if you try to push it, it won't even move. So we're going to trim it from here, this point here, all the way across, take out the lower side of the lip, and then we're also going to be trimming out this top section here. You have these clips that need to be trimmed down. Some people actually remove them completely, but I'm not sure if I'm going to do that. We are also going to be trimming down the corners here. Just this little piece here. Otherwise it's going to stick out too far on the bumper, right in this edge. But enough talking. Let's install a lip. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is go ahead and lift up the vehicle, put it in jack stands, or you can even remove the bumper if you want. That's just more work. Now I do have this lip on here. It's on the way, so we're gonna have to take it off and toss it. Now this lip right here, I have no idea what it's made for. I did find it in a parking lot one day and I decided to just take it, and it actually fit the CRV quite well, so it's been there for a few years. But now it's time for an upgrade, so it's time to send it out. So what I'm going to do is take this bar right here and use it to center the lip. Now if you count all the tabs here, you're going to count 9 of them. There's, well, at least on this one, there's 9 of them. I don't know about the OEM one, if it's different. So I'm going to take number 5 and then just center it to the bar, and then this way the lip will be nice and centered and it'll match on both sides. Okay, we're gonna cut the whole bottom section here, all this right here, so that the lip can actually bend. Right now there's no way for it to bend. I'm gonna cut this right here because this is preventing it from bending. So let's see, I'm gonna use a jigsaw cutter with a plexiglass blade. As we start somewhere around here. There we go. That's what we're looking for. Not the perfect, not exactly perfect, but close enough. All right, so these corner ones are in the way, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut these out too. So we're gonna just chop them up. this one, I think I'm gonna go ahead and just trim it up to right here, and I'll just run a screw through here, so this way it has more room to bend. Alright guys, well that's pretty much it. That's how it came out on the bottom. Obviously not the best kind of trimming that I did, but nobody's gonna see it. It's gonna be hiding underneath the vehicle. So the center one here, I ended up cutting it a little bit more. I trimmed it in half, so that way it sits flush on the bumper, on the lower side of the bumper. And a little jagged here, but again, no one's gonna see that. So what I'm gonna do is drill a hole here, and then I'm going to drill a hole on the top here next to this metal bar so that it centers in. So I have a lot of these self-tapping screws, so I'm just going to use these for mounting the lip. Alright, first screws in. Try to line it up here. I think it's close enough. We'll see. Alright, starting to take shape. Just got to bend it in now. Alright, so this is where the curve right there is going to be, lining up with the black line. And it's going to go right there, and then we'll trim off the excess lip. Alright, so I'm just going to take this up. I think I should have put this more over here, but that's too late. I'll just leave it like that. Alright guys, well here it is, the finished product. I'm actually pretty happy with the results. It looks really nice. It's a way better upgrade than the other lip I had. It looks really different now than what it was. I'm really stoked about driving this vehicle now, to be honest. Guys, for $38, you can't go wrong with this thing. It came out so nice. It looks fantastic, to be honest. In person it makes a big difference. On the video it might look a little bit different, but hey, if you're gonna be doing this to your CRV or plan on doing it, hey, check the description down below. I'm gonna leave a link to where I bought this thing. So it's basically an eBay, so you might get some different hits of different sellers. But hey, thanks for watching guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video as much as I did making it. Hopefully this video helps out those that want to take on this project. It's actually pretty simple, just basic tools to do the job. Subscribe to the channel guys, because there's some other interesting stuff coming soon for the V, maybe in the next couple of weeks. But for now, take care, be safe, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye for now.